Hi there, this is Maru.
Hi Maru, how are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm okay.
What are you going to do next weekend?
I haven't planned yet.
Would you like going to the cinema on Sunday? Because on Saturday I can't. I have a class.
Sure, the Sunday is fine.
What type of movie we going to watch?
I love the animated films, but the sci-fi file too.
Really? I like them too. I went to watch the sci-fi films last weekend.
In the night, would you like going to eat at Italian restaurant?
I'm sorry, but I don't like the Italian food.
Where would you like going to dinner?
What do you think if we're going to eat tacos?
Of course. Where are we going to meet this Sunday?
I see you in the shopping center, in front of the cinema.
Great. See you then.
Bye bye.